color. Okay, so you can type color and then click away. Again, click below, click it again, then you come out traffic light column. So this one we type in on off. Okay, click away. So the data type for this on off is just actually boolean. You want to know whether the thing is truly on or off. Okay, that means true or false only. So this one we can change the data type from variable character. Double click, then select the arrow down. So it come out a selection. So we scroll down until to this boolean. Okay, boolean here. Click on this. Okay, so click on boolean. When you click away, it will change to tiny integer. Okay, so that is perfectly fine. So you select boolean, then after click away, it becomes tiny integer. Okay, so this is perfectly fine. Then afterward, click on this apply. Okay, click on the apply. Then from here, so this is a script to be executed on the database. So you guys are very fortunate. Last time, when you have this thing, we have to type all these lines. Okay, so now you need to type all this already. So you created this for you and then allows you to execute it. So now, click on apply. So you say successfully apply to the database, then click finish. Okay, click finish. This is AI. So I already have my table already created. So if once your table is successfully created, you have to expand this table.
要你要 apply 先， 我没有要东西的这边的，我是要 apply 然后它自己出来。
So once you have done this wizard, you can actually close it. Or you want to leave it, also can. So the next thing is that this traffic light here, we right click, click on this select rows between 1000. Okay, so this is for us to see what is inside the table. So currently now here there means nothing inside. Okay, it's still empty. So the table is empty at the moment. So what we need to do is to click on this color. So we type in red. Okay, you can copy this, type 3 more of them. So we have 4 red. So first one is 0, second is 1, third one is 2, red 3. Okay. Now followed by yellow. Okay. Yellow. Then after the last one is green. Okay. So 4 more green one. So yellow 0, yellow 1, yellow 2, yellow 3, green 0, green 1, green 2, green 3. So you can just type red first copy, then you paste 3 more. Okay, then only you type the number, so it will be faster. Then for the on-off here, all 0. Okay.
我先不用怀疑，给他闭嘴。
Apply for order pass one. If you are Terra, you're born in Terra, Terra, So passport only 1 hour can sell within 1 hour. Online very fast.
小圆才我是
Okay.
有你
So for this
他
one,
就 follow 有
once
你
you're
还
done,
好我
click
没有
on
follow
apply. Okay, click apply here. Below here, there's apply. Click on apply. And these are the things will be executed. And then click apply. So once you have successfully applied, you can see the ID here. Automatically add value 1 to 12. Okay, so that is the auto increment feature that we have. Okay, so that every time you have data in, you have to add the ID inside. You need to type 1 by 1. Okay. No need, no need, no need. You auto implement, you automatically add for you. Okay? So this one, we have created the table here, and this one we have done two sides. Okay, so the next thing, how do we communicate this one to here? Anyone have any ideas? Don't know.
Huh?
Yes. Okay.
Huh?
So now what we're going to do is need to send this information, the text, to store in the database. Okay. We need to connect it together. Okay. So this is just an example to show you to do the connection. There's still ways to do it. You can straight away directly go there. But because in Industry 4.0, okay, you will a lot of people will use the node rate thing. Okay? Node rate, that's why we put it in here, the node rate. Rather than we just keep the stack, and you won't know. Okay, there's such thing. So there's a node rate in the middle. Here. So the first thing is that we need to read it from this OPC UA server, okay, to the node rate. Then only we can resend here. So what we need now to do is to read it from this OPC UA server from the node rate. Okay. So from the node rate here, we go to start menu, type node.js. So we come on this node.js command prompt. Node.js command prompt here. This thing. Click on this. Then afterwards type in node-rate. Okay. So node-rate. And then enter. Then you run the server. Okay. This node rate server. So no worries if you have any error, it's fine because previously the computer may be used by your previous student. Okay, they have set up something there. So press OK enter. Okay, so like my case here also we have error, no worries. Just let it minimize this node rate server. Then open the new tab. Okay. Type in localhost 1880. Okay. So for the node rate is localhost 1880. Okay, so yours one, if you have anything, if it's not blank, okay, if you do not have just a blank one, then I will show you how to remove this thing. If yours one is just blank, flow one empty, then you just leave it as it is, no need to do anything. So if yours one is not blank like my case here, so what we need to do is to click on this one here, empty place, double click, so you create a blank tab, okay. Then the existing tab here, you select, right click it, then you click on delete. Okay. So for the double click here already, you have this flow one created for you. Empty space here. So you create a flow one for you. Then right click on this traffic light, click on delete. Okay. So this will delete the tab for you and leave with the empty flow one. After that, go to this configuration nodes, click on it. Then click on this one, select one of them, press Ctrl A, you can see it's highlighted two of them, and press delete. And then click on deploy. So this will clear everything inside the node. So for your home, you maybe just open the time is this blank one. Okay, at home you open out is blank then. Okay? So you can only do the deleting instead. So you need to go to this node.js command prompt, okay, to run first, okay, run this node.js prompt, then afterwards you type in node rate, so like here, you type in this node rate here, okay, type this node rate, okay. So let this thing run in the background, okay, you minimize it, and then So if you open up, you have something here. You just double click at this empty slide. You create a flow. Okay. Create a flow.
Another one.
Another one, this one, you right here, this one, another one here, you right click, and you click delete. Then you delete over here.
Okay.
Then under this configuration node here, you click, you have something here, you click on one of them, you press Ctrl A and delete. Let me So this one you need to delete right here, okay? If you have anything else, select it and press delete, you delete, and then click on deploy. Okay, so this will clear everything. Okay. Monitor iPhone
凶。
Okay, let's continue. So the next is the OPC UA item. So you double click here. So this item you do not know. Okay, we need to get it from the UA expert. So that's why we need to use this to view the item inside here, the tag. So that's why we need to use this so that we can put it, the information in the node rate. So now. Okay, so now use the UA expert at the side here. Okay, you can see I expand until to this red light. So you select the first one, the red light, and afterward the square bracket 0 here. Select it. Then afterward the node ID. So click on this value, right click, copy value. Okay. So this is the value we need to copy. So we can see an S2 equals, then after S studio dot tag dot application dot red light and square bracket 0. So copy this value. Okay. So this is actually the traffic light, red light. Okay. For the red light. Then copy any, go back to our node rate. Double click on this OPC UA item. Double click on it. Then paste. Okay. Control V paste. Then the type here we choose the Boolean. Okay. Boolean here. Then the name type in red light 0. Okay. Okay. So this one name type in red light 0 all time together, don't pasting that. Okay, then click done. Then afterward we drag out one more thing, which is the left side here, there's a debug. Drag this debug out. Okay, so that we can see the message output from this OPC UA client when we inject. So drag this debug out. So double click on this debug. So from this output here option, select complete message object. Okay. And then click done. So select complete message object and click done. And we from here the top output, the highest one, drag this one from here, drag the connect it to here. Once we are done, click on deploy. Okay, to save the setting. And then here you can choose the lady bug here. So this one is the bug message. Okay. So you can clear all first, delete all. Then after you click inject. And you can see this is the message you get. Okay. So you have the red light.
Inject.
Halo is true, that means currently is a true value. So because the light is on, so it will become true. Okay. So we have successfully read this information from here to right here. Okay. Okay.
所以刚才要改什么？没有。
Then the next thing is that we want to send this one to here.
其實我忘記咗，
And write it to this database.
沒有。
So we read it here and then after we send it there.
對咧。
Okay. We okay.
然後 delete 然後 ladybug
即係你呢班。 哦，这个你有没有 inject 掉了？
怎么？然后，我要 deploy。相关了。骗我，我明明有听，我有听到啊，骗我，骗。
Line under the name read line 0. Then the first one is a message dot copy equals to double quote update has dot every line set on off equals then plus message dot payload plus where color equals message dot submit
DB. Block traffic light. Block traffic light.
has db dot traffic light
你这样加的朋友，你这样加的
Space.
set
space 啊？
Sorry, space.
On,
Enter.
off.
Enter.
哦 OK，
equals
然后要 tap tap 啊
L.
，tap tap
L.
tap tap。
plus message dot
你按一次，啊对，
plus where color red 0. Okay, so make sure you have the spacing here. This one spacing middle, one spacing. ，Okay, can? Then click on done. Okay, once you got this, click on done. Okay, then the function will change to the red light. So once we have done this, then we have to go to the side here, scroll down to find the storage here, MySQL. Where this how MySQL here. Okay, then connect this MySQL to here. Then for this MySQL, we double click it. Then we set the database server okay, to where. So for this database server, again click on the add new here selected, then edit button. So for the host, here we need to go back to the Ivan page. So from here the host, we copy the host name, which is this one, first one. Then go back to the grid, then paste it here. Then after the port, again copy, then paste it back. Then the username also we copy it again, and paste it. Then the password also again copy from here and paste it. Then the database here, type in as DB. Okay.
这边这个网站还没那边，这个是哪一个？
按什么？
Edit.
哪里有？
这边
哦，这边，哎呀，没找到。
Okay, then.
My database is other name. 加一。
What other name of host name? Other host name of this one? So there's not sure you them are host mah. For your database, you
遇到的 our database，把方面，没算人家有的，
host
我上来了，那个然后的加一单，
database this one you will put your name or if you
Oh, database.
Oh,
Name.
I also want default DB. So.
So once you're done,
Database
you
name.
add and click done. Okay?
Add, right.
So once you're done this, click on deploy. Then you can see your test DB is connected DB. Okay? So if you connected like that, then you open up your workbench. Okay, to double check again. So here in your workbench, you refresh. You can see your red 0 here is 0 the on-off part here. So when I click inject, go to Node-RED and click inject. No error, no subtable. Okay, so my name no problem. My traffic light error, the name error correct. Okay. So I will edit the name. Yeah. So this one I have to edit the name because wrong name. Traffic light for double F1. This here I just
traffic light.
select this, click on alter table. Then this one you type in F inside. Okay? Alter F. Okay?
This alternative.
So this one will double F. Then afterwards click on slide. Then you will change the name. See? So you will change the name to double F. Okay, finish. So refresh it here. Okay, so you have the double FAD. Right click, select row limit 1000. Then you can see this one is at 0. Okay. So again, I go to inject the Node-RED. Okay. Done. So I go back to the database. I click on refresh. So my rate 0 now is 1.
Cannot answer.
Cannot. It's okay.
So can.
The test DB says okay, but no red light.
Go to the bench.
Oh, why the color no change one? Just this one. Error. I thought it would change red. Oh, okay.
Double click here. This one, the Node-RED here. So you can double click on this blue one first, and the name here change to traffic light system. And here I change it to traffic light system. Click done. Then afterward, I click deploy. So this will set this traffic light system at name and traffic light system. Then after click on this 3-line button here, 3-line, then click on export. Okay, so this will export this thing. Make sure you select all flows. Select all flows. Then afterward click on download. Click on download. Then you need JSON file. You go to this folder. Rename this JSON file. So I rename this this. Then you can save this file. So this one you can save in Google Drive and open tab.
download the 放进那个。你刚改名。是啊。
JSON file is okay. Space is fine.
这个也是一个。
Okay, so this is the file you save it up. Go back and open it up. So you need to save in the Google Drive lah. Here don't allow you to use a pen drive lah. Okay, so once done, you can close this lah. So you close it, you need to save. Then you can load rate. This one you can close the load rate after you have export out, you can show it close.
这很 over 了。
Then can control C this one. And also the Aviva H, you can quick exit lah. Then make sure to sign up your Ivan database next page. So if you want to save, like you go to drive.google.com, remember to sign out afterwards.
你这关了吗？
对对对。
那你对。不用谢了，直接到那个包的东西。他问我你要save object，
So like here I will actually drag this file.
用啊，
Okay, so this is the file I can access it at home. I can access it at home. Well, that's all.
哎，问你 log out 啊？哦。
改个包来做。多红红的。 这个高吗？
Okay, see you afterwards.
什么？
这个也可以关的。那这个。
Oh, this one is whose handphone, huh?
喂，你需要什么？我碰不到。
这个不用 save。
讲啊。
那 UA 了，不用 save。